Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this look right here, and this is just a really beautiful, soft, like fairy, ethereal look. Like, I just can't describe any other way of creating imagery for this palette. Like, it is just stunning. Kind of unicorn vibes, actually. I really love the way that everything turned out. I'm super happy with this look, and it isn't something that I would wear every day, but it's just so soft and pretty that I couldn't resist. If you want to see how I got this look using the McGrath Fleur Fantasia, let's go. Yeah, so I don't know what happened, but for whatever reason the audio didn't pick up, but I'm showing you guys that I'm using the McGrath Fleur Fantasia palette, and I'm taking the purple iridescent shade and I'm packing that and bringing it in from the inner corner to the middle of the eye. I also forgot to mention that I did take the peachy shade, and that's what I have in my crease. All I did was I took a fluffy brush and just blew it out. So again, I'm patting that color, and now I'm taking that really beautiful pink and I'm using that from the mid of the eye to the outer corner, and I'm just blending to make sure that both colors are nicely merged together. Now I'm taking a MAC 210 and Extra Baggage Gel Liner by Dose of Colors, and I'm using that to create my wing. And just take your time and be precise with this. Alright guys, my camera ended up dying, so I ended up doing a wing liner with a brown gel liner and then layering the colors on top. So as you guys can see, it just kind of reflects the color that I have on my lids. And then I took my Tarte Shape Tape and just applied it under my eyes. I'm blending it out. And now for my foundation, I'm going to be using the Cover FX Power Play foundation in N60, and I've never tried this shade. I'm curious to see if it's gonna work, which so far so good. I actually like the way that this turned out. I'm going to take my Anastasia powder in Banana and just press that to set my makeup. Alright guys, and this is where we are at. I'm going to take this shade here and I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone arch. I'm going to take a fluffy brush, the same one I used to apply that crease color, and then just blend so that it looks smooth and not choppy. I'm also going to take a little bit of that and apply it to the inner corner here. I was thinking about doing something to the lower lash line, but I think it's pretty as is. We'll see. I'm going to take my Marc Jacobs Fantastic, just bronze up my face. I'm thinking that I'm going to take that outer pink color and I'm going to use it wet and then go over my liner with it. We'll see. I am going to take Spice Cinnamon by Cover FX, looks like this, and I'm just going to use the matte shade. You have to use a very light hand with this one because it is pigmented. Oh, it's so pretty. There's a lot going on in my house today. My niece is here, my son is playing with her, the dog is barking, my husband and my brother-in-law are watching the game in our basement. There's a lot going on. I'm actually going to take a little bit of the shimmer and just go ham. We're going to play with that shade and wet it. So I've got my MAC 210. It's already been wet. I'm going to take this color here. And I'm actually going to go into that violet shade and use it wet. I mean, I just figure we're on a roll. Might as well go big. Oh, it looks so pretty already. Yep, just what I needed. Alright guys, I took Pat McGrath Buff and lined my lips. Now I'm going to take Bite Beauty Gloss in Rose Meringue. Here is your final look. This to me is so pretty. It screams spring, and it is just heavenly. I absolutely love the way that everything turned out. It's very soft, ethereal. I think it's beautiful, and honestly the color it's put in the inner corner I could probably use as a highlight. I just love the way that everything turned out. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I do upload 3 videos a week, and please like this video as it does help support my channel. Thank you guys so much for spending your time with me, and let me know down below what you think of this look. Let me know if you have any requests for upcoming videos, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.